Hello. If you have chosen to use the Excel score sheet with the VLOOKUP formula I've just posted on groups, please make sure to follow this video till the end. We're going to talk about two things. The first, how to go on and copy the skills check 1 and 2 onto the sheets. If you're good at that, then just make sure that you're looking at the end where we're going to talk about how to troubleshoot some of the problems to copy the skills check 3, because we're going to need to adjust some of the formulas on the score sheet. Okay, so first, of course, we're going to talk about how to use the exam question marks analysis, which is divided into skills check and maze by separate columns. After choosing our skills check, and in this video we're going to talk about skills check 2, I'm going to download all the results and here how it will work for me. So the first thing that we're going to do is, once I download it, cut column D and paste it into column A. Insert cut cells. Do not paste, insert cut cells. Then I want to sort from A to Z, so click on any of the ESES numbers, click on the cell, highlight it, go to data, and click on A to Z. That way it is sorted. Third step on this sheet, and that will be the last, is Control A, or highlight all the data, copy it, and get ready to paste it on the right place. Now this is skill check 2, so we're going to go to the Excel sheet, skills check 2. I'll go to row 3, column A, and Control V, it will paste it. Just make sure that you compare the headings so they are properly laid out. Once you've done that, it should be automatically generated. And any student with the NA, that means the student did not take that exam in this session. Okay, now let's go and do the same for the listening. Sheet is open here. I've already pasted the ESES number, and I've already sorted it from A to Z. The third thing that I'm going to do is Control A, or highlight all the data. Okay, as you can see here, the problem is I've created it bearing in mind that there are 5 questions for the listening that will be separated. However, the analysis gives us the total of the listening in one column. That will, of course, have problems with the data. So what we're going to do is we're going to delete the formula from column AA and AB and create new formulas. Now the new formula will say equal, highlight the first name of the student, that is row 4, highlight it, press equal, and click on column K under number 11, which is the total of the listening. After you highlight it, click enter. Now here it is 5, copy it into here. Drag the formula using the little square in the middle as much as you want. So here we've got all the students. Next step is I want the total of the maze, so I will put equal. I will write SUM, which is sum. It will be highlighted here. Click on it, double click if needed, and it will open a bracket. Now with the bracket, I will step onto column L, that is number 12, highlight it and drag the highlight until 21. These are the questions for the maze. And click enter. In that way, as you can see, this is the maze is 10 marks and the listening is 10 marks. Drag it using the little square until this cross appears. Drag the formula and it will generate it. Just make sure that it is properly copied. So for example, here I've got this girl has got 15, 10 and 5. This girl has got 5, 0 and 5 and so on. So let's take a look at how it is generated here. So automatically it generated the formula, and students with the marks complete will have the totals generated for them. So this is how we can create the formula in the proper way. Hope it is helpful and good luck.